Hi everybody, this is MANJUNATHA TK, Assistant Professor, ANANYA Institute of Commerce and Management, Tumkur. In this video, I am going to explain about social responsibility of the company, that is corporate social responsibility. What is social responsibility? The social responsibility is an obligation and commitment of the management to take step forward to protect the environment and protecting their own interest. Here, how they are going to protect the environment and protecting their own interest means there are two kinds of stakeholders will be there. So first of all, what is stakeholder or who is stakeholder? Stakeholders are the directly or indirectly who are connected with the operations of the company or operations of the management. The internal stakeholders. The internal stakeholders means the people who are within the organization. The external stakeholders means the people who are outside the organization, we are linked with the company. So namely, the internal stakeholders are employees and management and manager also. So there are numerous external stakeholders are there, namely suppliers, customers, government, society, creditors, shareholders and suppliers. So here I am going to explain in detail regarding internal and external stakeholders. First I am going to explain the external stakeholders. First one, suppliers. So how suppliers are going to be involved in the operations and how company is going to show their responsibility towards the suppliers. Here there are two kinds of suppliers are there. One is the raw material suppliers to the company, and the second supplier is the supplier who is going to supply our semi-finished and finished goods to the customers. Here what kind of social responsibility, what kind of responsibility is going to show towards the supplier is they have to pay the remuneration, they have to pay the commission regularly. The company should pay because we have to take the interest, the trust we have to build to the suppliers. In this way, the company can show their responsibility towards suppliers. The second stakeholder is the government. How the company is going to show their responsibility towards government is the regular payment of their taxes. If you are paying regularly the taxes, definitely you are showing the responsibility towards the government, because tax is the only way how the government is going to collect the money. If they are going to collect the money, they definitely run the country in a smooth manner. That's why it is very important role to show the responsibility towards the government. Okay. So next is creditors. So creditors definitely the backbone of each and every company, because if they did not give any money, it is very difficult for the company to run their business smoothly. So here we have to repay the money smoothly or regularly. Timely payment is very, very important. So if the creditors very happy, definitely we are going to be very much happy. We are going to raise money from the creditors, right? So that's why we have to repay the money regularly. The next stakeholders are shareholders. Shareholders definitely plays a vital role in the organization, where their investment is to be made in the running of the smooth running of the organization. So that's why how the company is going to show the responsibility towards the shareholders means we have to pay the regular dividends. When the company is doing good, so we have to give regular dividends or dividends to the shareholders. In this way, we can show, or the company can show their responsibility towards the shareholders. The last external stakeholder is customer. So how company is going to show the responsibility towards the customer is nothing but we have to manufacture the good quality and services which we should not give any false advertisements. The fair price should be fixed to the products and services. The quality should be maintained. So in this way, we should not give false news to the customers also. So we have to maintain that kind of relationship. So when we satisfy the customers, the goodwill will be developed in the minds of the customers. In this way, we can show the responsibility towards the customer also. So come back to the main concept, that is internal stakeholders. Internal stakeholders within the organization, we can see the internal stakeholders. So in that, the first person or the first content which we have to discuss is employees. Employees are the main pillars of the organization, right? So how the company is going to show the responsibility towards employees? We have to give fair remuneration. We have to give such a kind of opportunity to develop in the organization. We have to create that kind of environment which the employees love to work in the organization. We have to give such kind of opportunity to the employee to run or to be in the company for a longer duration. So in this way, so monetary or non-monetary benefits also comes into the picture. So in this way, we can show, or the company can show responsibility towards the employees. So managers also included in the employees, right? Manager also employees. So overall here the company has to show the responsibility to different stakeholders to run the business smoothly. When the company did not show the responsibility towards the different stakeholders, definitely the company is not going to run the business very smoothly. That's why each and every stakeholders are very important to the organization. So we have to take care of the each and every stakeholders. So thank you. This is all about the corporate social responsibility towards different stakeholders. Thank you.